In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy crypto using CoinMarketCap. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or just looking for a reliable and streamlined way to purchase your favorite coins, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and confidently. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to CoinMarketCap's official website. It's a one-stop destination for cryptocurrency market data, a popular tool for tracking the performance of various digital currencies. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a wide array of coins, each with their current stats prominently displayed. Take a moment to browse through and locate the coin you wish to purchase. For the purposes of this guide, let's assume you're interested in buying Bitcoin, often labeled as BTC, which is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies out there. Now, click on the specific coins link, which will open up a dedicated page featuring detailed information about that cryptocurrency. This page is packed with valuable insights, including its market cap, trading volume, historical performance charts, and other pertinent data. Spend some time getting familiar with this information, especially if you're making your purchase decisions based on market trends. Once you're ready to make your purchase, look for the Buy BTC button on the page. Clicking this button will typically take you to a page where you can choose from different platforms or exchanges where Bitcoin is available for purchase. CoinMarketCap often provides several options, giving you the flexibility to select a platform that suits your preferences, whether it be in terms of fees, security features, or user experience. After choosing your preferred platform, you'll need to follow their specific purchasing protocols. This generally involves creating an account if you haven't done so already, completing any necessary identity verification steps, and then using your preferred payment method to acquire the cryptocurrency. It might sound a bit complex, but each platform usually offers a guided process to simplify the experience for you. When the process is complete and you've successfully purchased your Bitcoin or any other chosen cryptocurrency, make sure to store it securely. You can use a digital wallet provided by the exchange or opt for a more secure hardware wallet. This step is essential for protecting your investment from potential threats. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the process of buying cryptocurrency using CoinMarketCap. Remember, staying informed and cautious is key to making wise investment decisions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has demystified the process for you. Happy investing!